Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I hope you're all doing well. Today's video is going to be a tutorial on how I go from sopping wet hair fresh out of the shower to these big voluminous holiday curls. I wanted to share with you guys my process of how I blow dry and style my hair all in one go. If you guys are getting ready for any holiday parties or you want a little inspiration for Christmas Day or New Year's or anything like that, I hope you guys find this video helpful. And of course, if you are new to my channel, don't forget to subscribe and turn on post notifications. And today's video is very exciting because it is sponsored by OGX and I'm so excited. I love all of their styling products like a lot. They're super affordable, but they're very effective and I have a lot of favorites in this video. So I'm very excited to share them with you and let's go ahead and jump into it. So I've showered, I have washed all of my hair. If you guys haven't seen my shower routine, I will link it down below. That kind of gives you a better idea of what goes on in the shower when I'm cleansing my hair and what conditioner and all that kind of stuff. And I just towel dried it, and now before I blow dry, I'm going to be using the Protecting Plus Silk Blowout Spray from OGX. This is a quick drying thermal spray and it's going to protect your hair but also cut down blow dry time, which is always what I need. So how you use this is you just spray it all over your hair and give it a brush through before you start blow drying. Now that I have that all brushed nicely through my hair, it smells so freaking good. I love it. It smells so good. I'm gonna take my blow dryer now, and I usually do like a good rough dry of everything, and then later on I'm going to section off my hair and really smooth it out because I'm going to be styling my hair right after this. Typically, if I'm just going to bed, I'll just kind of willy-nilly blow dry it, whatever, just to get it dry. But since I am going to be styling it, I want it to be smooth and straight to prep for that. So my hair is about half dry at this point. I'm going to section off the top and the bottom just to make it a little bit easier, and that way I can run my brush through my hair as I'm blow drying to keep it all smooth. And I'm just gonna, chuck this up in a scrunchie to make it easier. And it doesn't really matter if that's gonna kink up because I'm gonna straighten and blow dry it after anyway. Okay. I've now finished blow drying my hair. It is so soft and so shiny, and it definitely cut down the blow dry time in half. That was super quick, and that does not usually happen, so that product is really awesome. And like I said, it smells so good. Now this is the time in my getting ready process that I will typically go and do my makeup, and then I'll come back and style my hair. This is kind of just how I do it. So instead of actually showing you guys my makeup today, if you are interested in a holiday glam makeup look, you guys can go check out my IGTV because I just posted a really pretty tutorial. I really like the way it turned out. So if you want makeup inspo for the holidays, definitely go check out that video on my Instagram. But I'm gonna go do my makeup and then I will return to style the hair.
Ready when you are, Nolan.
Okay, so
not when you are.
Snakes. My makeup is now done and I'm going to get to curling. I've already started heating up my curling wand. I have the largest barrel that I own on here, and I'm gonna section off my hair. I always like to section off my hair when I am curling it. So I'm just gonna take the top half here and clip the top part up. I have no idea what I'm trying to say. I'm gonna clip this up and work on the bottom. The look that we're going for today is big voluminous curls. If you guys want to see my more beachy tutorial, I'll have that video linked down below from back in the summer. But I want some big voluminous curls with a side part today. So like I said, I'm starting off with my largest barrel. I typically like to take the bottom section of my hair and use the larger barrel and curl away from my face. So taking that, placing it like this, wrapping them around, and then kind of holding it tighter to my head. I do still like to leave the end of the hair strand straight. I just prefer it. Kind of wiggle it back and forth. hold it somewhat in my hand and let that fall. If you guys have hard to curl hair, then I definitely recommend spraying each strand with hairspray as you go, just to ensure that it's going to stay and hold. I have pretty easy to curl hair, especially since it's colored, so I don't really have to do that. I typically just spray it once I'm done each layer. Now that the bottom half of my hair is curled, as you guys can see, I'm going to take the Smoothing Plus Shea Sleek Humidity Blocking Hairspray. I love this. This is a 3. Each of the OGX products do tell you like what level of strength they are, which is really great. I love this hairspray. It smells really good. And the sprayer is really nice. I just kind of do like a nice light spritz, and I haven't like brushed out these curls yet, which I'll do at the very end. But spraying this hairspray like before that will just kind of like hold the curl, and then when it goes to brush it out, it'll be a lot smoother. And also now I'm actually going to be taking my curling wand, turning it off, and switching to a smaller barrel. I like to curl the bottom half of my hair with the larger barrel to keep the length, because I want my hair to look long and full. And sometimes when I use this, one second mom, sometimes when I use this wand, it does a little bit of a tighter curl, and sometimes on the ends that can just make everything a lot shorter. So that's my little tip that I like to do if I want to keep the length but still have it super voluminous and curled, is I'll do the bottom half with a larger barrel and then switch to the smaller one for the top half. But make sure it's cooled down first or you'll burn your fingers. You didn't say action.
And action!
While that's heating up, I'm going to take down my hair, and this is when I usually decide what part I want, and as previously mentioned, I'm going to go with the side part today. Sometimes I go with the middle. As you guys can see, I have a crinkle in my hair from when I did my makeup, but that's okay. That will be removed. So find that part, section it off from side to side. And then I also pretty well like to, sorry, there's a mirror over here and I really need to see stuff for this part. And then I usually take whatever I haven't curled, like that's pretty well curled, that isn't though. And then take the part that I have curled and put that back, and then keep this forward and then brush that out. Like so. Okay, let's curl. For these curls, I do actually curl them front and back, kind of varying mostly to the back, but some to the front. That'll just kind of add dimension and texture to the hair. Okay. Also with the little wand, I always make sure that the sections are a little bit smaller than what I was using with the bigger wand, just because it's not as big of a barrel to wrap my hair around. And I also don't hold it as long, or else you'll end up with a very tight curl, which is totally fine for some people, but in this case, I don't want a super tight curl, even though that's exactly what we just got. I promise it'll work out. Now that I have all of my curls very tight, I'm going to take that humidity blocking hairspray again, give my hair a good spritz of that all over. We are blocking that humidity, people. Okay, now this is the fun part. Now I'm going to take one of my favorite OGX products of all time. This is the Natural Finish Plus Aspen Extract Texture Dry Texture Finishing Spray. I love dry texture sprays so much. They are like the key to all hairstyles. I feel like they enhance everything so much. So if you've never tried a dry texture, wow, a dry texture spray, definitely recommend this one. I love the bottle also. This is a strength of 4 and it smells so good. And so what I like to do with this is I like to just kind of spray this as I would a hairspray, but focusing more on the ends. Really getting it in there, and this can work for straight hair too. It just like adds some oomph. So I'm gonna spray that lightly into the hair first, and now I'm gonna flip my head over and comb through the curls with my fingers. You can also take your brush and kind of smooth everything out once it's like big and voluminous like this. I also like to take the dry texture spray and kind of put that into my roots as well, just to kind of zhuzh it up, just like a little bit. This is also very important to use because I was going from very clean, blow-dried hair instead of waiting a couple days and then styling my hair, because obviously styling your hair with dirty hair is a lot easier. Dry texture spray kind of helps add that grit back to your hair to make it easier to hold a style. And the final step for my hair today is going to be using the Bodifying Plus Bamboo Fibre Full Tousle Spray. Love this stuff. This is, again, really good if you kind of have like thick, flat hair like myself. I like to put this just in the roots and zhuzh it up and just kind of make my hair bigger and more voluminous. Also, if you're doing any ponytails or back combing or anything, a product like this is really good to kind of hold all of that as well. There we go, my trio. Zhuzh it all up, brush it out. And once all those products have set in and all the pieces are kind of more polished, you can of course go back in and recurl anything that needs to be, or kind of just like play with certain individual pieces to make them stand out or more unified. But that is pretty much it, how I do my like full big curls hairstyle. If you guys are looking to spruce up these curls just a little bit more and add some hair accessories, my favorite thing are headbands. I love this one. It's very big and fluffy and velvet, which is very like pretty and put together for the holidays. I also love adding hair clips. These ones are so cute. I found one that said Merry Xmas, which is like so hilarious. So these would be really cute for the holidays or holiday party because they're sparkly. Or I love a good scrunchie. I find that this is a good option if you want to do like second day curls or something like that. Adding a little holiday scrunchie is super cute as well, and it gets your hair off your face if you're like having dinner or, you know, it's just later in the day. I love these options. So that pretty well wraps up today's video. I hope you guys enjoyed it, and if you did, give it a thumbs up because it really helps and supports my channel. I would love to see all of your holiday hairstyles. If you wanted to send them to me on Instagram, tag me. I would love to see them, and I will have links to all of the OGX products used in today's video down below. I think that's pretty much it. I love you guys so much, and I will see you in my next video. Have a great day. Bye!